Imagine you had the Pied Piper on your payroll, but instead of bringing you mice, he brought you new customers. That is precisely what getting listed on Google Business does for your company. Google Business Profile plays a major role in awareness and online visibility. This is because over 88% of local searches result in a call or visit within 24 hours. And localized searches that include near me have grown by over 900%. So let's begin with a step-by-step guide. Step number 1, sign in. Head over to your Google account and sign in. If you don't have a Google account, just create a new business account and fill in all the details. It's free. Step number 2, log in to Google My Business. Now that you have a Google account, just head over to Google My Business and click the Manage Now button in the top right corner to get started. Step number 3, enter the name of your business. Now it's time to set up your business profile. The first step is to choose your business name and category. As you type your business name, Google will show you a list of existing businesses in its database. If your business name is already listed, then go ahead and claim it rather than creating a duplicate listing with the same name. If your name is not listed, then type in your business name as it is. And when we say as it is, it really should be as it is. Don't try and stuff keywords, as this goes against Google's policy and they will suspend your account. Number 4, choose a primary business category. Selecting your primary business category is a very crucial step. You can choose a category easily from the list. Be sure to select a category that closely reflects your business and the services you provide. Your category can be changed at any time, so if you have a seasonal business, don't worry. Your business category tells Google what kind of business you have, making it more searchable and helping your listing rank for relevant searches. Step 5, add your location. Now, this step is optional. If your business has a physical location where customers can visit, such as a restaurant, clothing boutique or hardware store, then select yes and fill in your address details. Your business location will be shown on Google Maps, indicated by the red pin. But if you're a service-based business, such as a plumber or electrician, and have no physical address, then select the no option. If you choose this option, your address will be hidden in the search instead, and Google will show a service area on your listing based on the localities you've selected as a service areas. Adding service areas can influence where a listing is shown, so be as detailed as possible here to have a wholly optimized Google My Business listing. Step 6, add your contact information. Next, add your phone number and website URL. If you don't have a website, I would suggest you at least make a landing page, as it helps with local SEO. Step 7, verification. You're almost there. The last thing to do is verify your listing. Your business profile won't become searchable until you verify it. Your verification options change depending on whether or not you've added a location. If you have a physical location, then you need to verify your business by postcard. If you have not added a physical location, you can complete the verification process by phone, by mail, or by live video call. Once you've verified your listing, you're live. Congratulations. Now it's time to optimize your listing and add all the details so you start ranking for relevant searches in your area. Check out our step-by-step tutorial on how to optimize your Google My Business listing. The link is in the description. If you found this video helpful, please drop a like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.